have a Hohner Tango IM accordion. It has 37 keys in the treble with 60 bass buttons, with 3 switches on the treble side, and there are 2 reeds on the treble side, 2 middle. That is your clarinet, and here is your musette. A nice bright musette. The third switch is a duplicate, so you really have 2 sounds on the treble side. On the bass, this is what the bass sounds like. So on this accordion you have your major, your minor, and your 7th, and you also have a counterbass row. This is a very lightweight accordion. It has a gray kind of slate marble look to it. It's a bit of a vintage look. Has a very nice musette. We have black and white bellows, which gives it a nice effect. It has a very nice bright musette, and I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.